Flowise Ai tutorial in Hindi is a comprehensive guide to understanding the basics of artificial intelligence and its application in various fields. To start with, Flowise Ai is a platform that provides users with a range of tools and features to develop and implement AI models. Firstly, users need to sign up and create an account on the Flowise Ai platform. This will give them access to the dashboard where they can start building their AI models. The dashboard is user-friendly and provides a range of options to choose from, including data preparation, model selection, and deployment. Once the user has created their account, they can start by preparing their data. This includes uploading their datasets and pre-processing them to make them ready for use in the AI model. Flowise Ai provides a range of data pre-processing tools, including data cleaning, feature scaling, and feature selection. Next, the user can select the type of AI model they want to use. This can include machine learning models such as linear regression, decision trees, and neural networks. Flowise Ai provides a range of pre-built models that users can choose from, or they can build their own custom models using the platform's Model Builder tool. After selecting the model, the user can train and test the model using their dataset. This will give them an idea of how well the model is performing and where it needs improvement. Flowise Ai provides a range of evaluation metrics, including accuracy, precision, and recall, that users can use to evaluate the performance of their model. Finally, once the user is happy with the performance of their model, they can deploy it to a range of applications, including web and mobile apps, and even integrate it with other systems using the platform's API. Throughout the process, Flowise Ai provides a range of tutorials and guides to help users get started and overcome any challenges they may face. The platform also provides a range of best practices and tips to help users get the most out of their AI models and ensure they are using them effectively and efficiently. In conclusion, Flowise Ai tutorial in Hindi is a comprehensive guide that provides users with a range of tools and features to develop and implement AI models. By following the steps outlined in this guide, users can create their own AI models and start using them in a range of applications, and get the most out of the Flowise Ai platform.